Hello guys, wanna install live Minecraft wallpapers on your Android device? Here is a very quick tutorial how to do it. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Play Store app, click on it, and here just tap on the search icon, then in the search tab enter Minecraft wallpaper. After that, click search and download the first app. Here click install, and when the installation is completed, tap open. So click open, and here you can select items and customize your own wallpaper. So in this menu you can customize your wallpaper as much as you want. So let's here select creeper, a cow maybe, a golem, maybe a wolf too. Let's deselect this item, the pickaxe and the axe, and let's actually manipulate the number or the size. No, I think it's the better option. Also, you can manipulate with the transparency of the items and the brightness and the speed too. And in this tab called background color, you can change the background color. For example, I will set it for blue and make it darker. And actually I will select some more items, for example chest, maybe some emeralds, also maybe some armor. Yeah, and to set the wallpaper, click on this button, and now it will set it as your wallpaper. Here click again set wallpaper, and here you can choose either home screen or home and lock screen. And let's check if it works. So as you can see, it works as perfectly. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your new wallpaper.